everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So today we're opening the Love with Food tasting box. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. So last time I unboxed this, it came to my attention that I usually unbox the month prior. So this box I received because someone used my link to sign up and I got a free box, which is totally awesome. So they have a great loyalty type program, a referral program, by the way. But just so you know, this is probably from March. I'm opening this in April. So if you order it, your snacks may be different. And to be honest, I don't know if people normally get different types of snacks anyways. But yeah, so like it's probably implied already, this is a snack subscription, and it is a it says Snack Smart Do Good. So I love this subscription because they are like healthy type snacks, and also every time you subscribe and get a box, you also give back to someone who is in need and hungry. So I love that about their company. Super awesome. So like I said, this is the tasting box. This is the most affordable option. They have several. So I pulled it up on the screen just so I don't get any of the pricing wrong. So the tasting box, you get 7 or more surprise snacks. And it ranges from $7.99 to $9.99 depending on the plan you pick. And one meal is donated anytime or every time you get this box, and you can cancel at any time. And then the deluxe box, that is one that you get more snacks. You get 15 or more. And it's a little bit more expensive. I actually do have a link for 40% off if you are interested in the deluxe box. So it's normally around like $19, but with my code you can get it for like $11. So if you're interested in trying out new snacks, that is a great way to do so. And if you like any of the snacks that you get in your box, you can buy them through their shop that they have online. So I will leave that link below that will give you the 40% off and also bring you to their website so you can see everything they've got there. And with the deluxe box, they donate 2 meals every time, and they also allow you to cancel anytime. So there's like no strings attached, like most subscriptions, besides that one I've talked about too many times and should never be mentioned again, Babe Box. But anyways, and they have a third option. They have a gluten-free option. So if you have a gluten-free diet or are trying to remove gluten from your current diet, then this would be a good option. This starts at $19.99 and you get 10 or more items, and 2 meals are donated for each box that you purchase. And again, you can cancel at any time. I forgot to mention there, for all of these, there are free shipping to the United States. And the tasting box which I'm opening, unfortunately, cannot be shipped internationally, but the other boxes can. Only $3.99 shipping for international, so that's great. You just have to purchase one of the larger boxes, so the gluten-free or the deluxe box. But I am so hungry. I have not eaten yet today, so let's open this box and hopefully, well, I'm sure there will be a snack I can try. So when I open it, this is what I see. And it says, "Thank you, you are awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger. Love snacking smart, spread the word." And then there is a card on top. It says, "Open love. Love is in the air. Can you feel it? Open yourself to life's sweetest moments, starting with delicious, better-for-you snacks made with love." And then it says they teamed up with Tone It Up's fitness and nutrition experts to bring you their blueberry coconut protein bar. That sounds good. And then it's saying that I helped feed someone. So that is what the box looks like. I mean, not the box, what am I talking about? The piece of paper inside the box. And then underneath it, there are all the goodies. And the first thing I see looks delicious. This is by Funky Chunky, the sea salt caramel. It's caramel corn layered with milk and dark chocolate, drizzle, caramel, cashews, and sea salt. And there's also a discount code on here to get 10% off your order. So that is what it looks like. That sounds so good. If you guys are interested in calories and stuff like that, there's 2 servings it says in here, but let's get real. I will eat this in one sitting. And it is 130 calories per serving. This looks awesome. I'm just gonna try one right now, whatever. It's gonna make a healthy breakfast, but I'm just gonna snack instead, I think. So, this looks yummy. Look at this. It tastes exactly like you would expect by the description. So good. This will be a great treat. Next up is that bar, the Tone It Up bar, the plant-based protein bar, and this is in blueberry coconut. So this is who they teamed up with this month. It says, we created Tone It Up to help women lead their healthiest, happiest, and most confident lives. After meeting at the gym and becoming friends over coffee and yoga dates, we had an overwhelming feeling to build something amazing together. Through friendship, support, and accountability, the Tone It Up community inspires millions of women to achieve their goals and become the best versions of themselves. The Tone It Up lifestyle makes fitness and nutrition fun and easy for women everywhere. Awesome. I love that this was made by friends and women. So it's 170 calories and there is 10 grams of protein. So I'm excited to try this out. I like blueberry and I like coconut. And the next thing I see is by ZZ's. It's ZZ's Honey Roasted Sunflower Kernels, portable protein and nut-free. That is what the packaging looks like. It says it's made in a nut-free facility. This package is 200 calories and has 6 grams of protein total. So I never really eat sunflower seeds, so this is sunflower kernels, so I'd be interested to try this out for sure. And it looks like we have 2 of the same thing, which seems awesome. This is by Marique, if I'm saying that right, Pan-Crafted Chocolates. It's a dark chocolate sea salt cashews. I love sea salt, I love dark chocolate, and I love cashews. Oh my god. This is made with fair trade cocoa, so it says real good, feel good ingredients. Fair trade certified. The package is 70 calories. Yeah, these are the same. This is awesome. I love having stuff like this as a treat at home, and I love how they're in different serving sizes, so hopefully I won't eat both at once. But like, I'm one of those people, like after I eat a meal, I like to have like something sweet, like a little bit of chocolate after, so this will be a perfect treat. And it's healthier too, because it's just dark chocolate and cashews. Ooh, next up I see a protein bar, yum. This is a Paleo Caveman Protein Chocolate Salted Caramel Protein Bar. It says there's 10 grams of protein in here, no GMOs. No soy, certified paleo friendly, grain free, dairy free. Not all protein bars are created equal, and with egg white and plant proteins, Caveman's 10 gram paleo friendly protein bars are the next stage in snacking evolution. No science experiments here, only natural, tasty goodness you can see. So I'm excited to try that out. It looks like there's like 2 more things, so there's a lot of snacks. Cauliflower pretzels. I've never had anything like this. This is from the ground up. It's original flavor. It's made with cassava and cauliflower. It looks like actual pretzels from the picture. It says it's a good source of vitamins from veggies, made with plant-based ingredients. It's vegan and gluten-free. Have you guys had cauliflower pretzels? Isn't that interesting? It says, wow, there's 40 sticks in here, and it says that they are rooted in the belief that food should offer equal parts taste and nutrition. Our mission is to create balanced snacks for everyone to enjoy. From the ground up brings you familiar shapes and flavors of comfort products with a better for you twist. When it comes to the ground, it's gotta be good. So this whole thing has 110 calories, which is awesome. It says it's a good source of vitamins A, C, D, E, B1, and B6. Made with real cauliflower. So I'm really intrigued by this. Sounds good. I like eat cauliflower all the time lately, it seems like. Especially when I was on my health kick, I've gotten kind of out of it. I need to get better, but I would like use cauliflower in so many meals. I think it's like highly suggested for like keto diet. No, I'm not following that fully, but anyways. Yeah, last item. Says, do one better, Popcorners, the crunchy and wholesome popped corn snack. Sweet and salty kettle corn flavor, 60 calories per bag, never fried, only 4 ingredients and non-GMO, and it is certified gluten-free. These look good. Only 60 calories. Let's see what it says on here. Yeah, so the only ingredients are yellow corn, sunflower oil, cane sugar, and sea salt. And they said they partner with the best family farmers we know to ensure you're getting the finest non-GMO corn available. Every crop gets popped to perfection. The result is a crunchy and wholesome taste experience like no other. For happy and healthy living, you can do one better knowing we are always in your corner. So awesome. I love that this is only 60 calories and not made with any GMO products. So yeah, so how many items do we get? This seems like a lot. So we got the chips, 2 chocolate cashews, that's 3, the protein bar, 4, sunflower seeds, 5, the Tone It Up protein bar, 6, the cauliflower pretzels, 7, and then the Funky Chunky sea salt caramel, which is really good. I tried one of them. So we got 8 things, I guess 7 if you count the 2 little cashew sea salt chocolate things as one. But I think this was a great one. This is better than the previous ones I've gotten, because I will eat everything in here. Like, there's been times I've gotten some that had like some meat products, like some jerky or something in it, but all of this was vegetarian. All of it are flavors and stuff I like. A lot of them are like packed with protein, which I'm trying to be better about consuming. So I am super excited to try this all. So yeah, I know I'm hungry now, but I feel like even if I wasn't starving, I would still be super happy with all of this. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Do you guys get this box? Is this like what everyone got last month? Or I don't know. I've just been told that before. I'm not positive. I haven't seen any other unboxings of this recently, but I honestly love this. So I will leave the link down below along with my giveaway link or my giveaway video. So in that video it'll explain all about my giveaway, when it ends, all of that. I honestly can't even remember if I mentioned my giveaway in the beginning of this video. If I did, sorry, I'm being repetitive, but I have a giveaway going on that ends April 13th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, and it is to win 2 of the Walmart Beauty Favor boxes. And hopefully very soon I will also have an even bigger giveaway going on when I reach 4,000 subscribers. At the time of filming, I am about 75 away or so, something close to that. So hopefully it'll be soon. We're getting really close. I've already ordered some things for that. I already have some stuff here, so that'll be an even bigger giveaway. I love having giveaways, giving back to you, because I really appreciate all of your love and support. So thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you are having an amazing day. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.